Do you ever feel like you're running on empty by the time you sit down at your desk? Hi, my name is Sydney. I'm from Wellbeing Inc., and today we are talking about workplace wellness. Burnout at work is real, and it can leave you feeling drained, distracted, and stuck. The good news, there are small shifts you can make today that bring energy back into your day. Your well-being matters as much as your deadlines. The way you show up for yourself during the workday shapes how you feel, think, and perform. Take micro breaks. 2 to 5 minutes is enough to reset your brain and your body. Stand, stretch your shoulders, walk down the hall, or take a few deep breaths. Short pauses sharpen focus and prevent the crash that comes from powering through non-stop. Create boundaries with your devices. Decide when you'll check email instead of letting notifications pull you in all day. Protecting your attention gives you more control and reduces stress. Shape your environment so it supports you. A clean desk, a touch of greenery, or better lighting can make work feel lighter. Your surroundings influence your mood more than you might expect. Build connection into your day. A quick chat with a coworker, even 5 minutes, can break up isolation and restore perspective. Human interaction is a powerful antidote to burnout. Small actions create meaningful change. A pause, a boundary, a shift in your space, a moment of connection. Each step builds resilience. If you're ready for more strategies to stay well at work, follow along. Together, we'll create the habits that keep you thriving. I'm Sydney with Wellbeing Inc. If you found this helpful, make sure to follow us for more strategies to support your well-being at work. Take care of yourself. You deserve it.